wanna take a shower. Dum 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 dum. Tick 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 tick. When you coming home? It's Friday. Fuck.
I'll be home on Friday.
Today's Friday.
Might be here Friday with me.
Yeah. Fucking MoDOT, DOT, whatever. MoDOT can have fucking signs on the fucking side of the road and fucking make you read shit, but you can't write shit on the back of your truck. Now, I would understand if it was fucking dick and balls or some shit like that, but if it's fucking just smiley faces or fucking...
That's bullshit. Okay, well, you can't get DOT. And people draw on the back of Facebook credit all the time.
Well, I did look it up, and I did read it. If your truck's dirty, then they pull trucks over for being dirty, because that means you're a dirty person inside. But
that doesn't mean nothing.
Yeah.
And actually, I can't pull you over for being dirty. I can pull you over to a random inspection. Assuming that. Actually, if you get a little green book at the truck stop, it'll tell you all the rules.
If you what?
There's a green book at the truck stop that'll tell you all the rules. And when it tells you something, it's like, nah, my book right here says this. Are you good at FMTSA website? Look it up. Whatever you're at.
Damn. Yeah, I found out at this light, if you don't go to the second fucking pull up, the fucking light won't change. Like, I waited, there's two white lines. There's a faded one and another one, like, I was fucking behind the first one, and it didn't change for a while, so I fucking pulled up. I don't know. There we go, there we go. Whee! Man, I gotta pee again. Fuck. When are they gonna fucking fix this road? The fucking one by the Flying J, the fucking... Man.
You should have seen when they first put the Flying J in there. The driveway was pretty small, too.
Man, my fucking camera even locked up because so many bumps. Ah, you fucker. You fucker. Fucker right in the pussy. Yeah. There's fucking, I could fill up, but there's a fucking truck. It fucking pulled up. Oh, he's leaving. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.